Listen closely. The soul grows strongest, not in comfort, but when hardship sharpens the will, patience steadies the breath, and hope refuses to bow before the darkness. Walk forward, even when the ground trembles beneath your feet, because the earth respects those who trust their steps, not those who wait forever for perfect paths. Strength is not fearlessness. It is the calm decision to rise, to breathe, and to move forward, while fear shouts but never commands your spirit. When life bends you low, remember this: the bow must curve before it can release the arrow toward its farthest destiny. A hopeful mind is a sunrise. Storms cannot imprison it. Even broken skies glow with purpose when light waits patiently to return. You were not born merely to survive the day. You were shaped to awaken courage, to carry wisdom, and to leave footsteps others will follow. Let discipline walk beside you, quietly. It builds strength in silence, while the world chases noise, applause, and fragile victories. The river reaches the ocean, not by force, but by persistence, gentle, patient, unstoppable. Do not measure your worth by failure. Even ancient mountains were once broken stone, learning how to stand. The mind becomes powerful when it listens less to doubt and more to effort, repeated daily without complaint. Carry kindness like a torch through dark days. Its warmth will guide you and light the way for others. Every sunrise forgives yesterday, inviting the brave to begin again without dragging regret into today. True confidence is born when you accept imperfection, yet refuse stagnation, choosing progress over perfection. The heart that endures learns this truth. Pain may visit, but it never owns a determined soul. Plant your thoughts carefully. The mind is fertile soil. What you nurture in silence will one day shape your destiny. Even the longest night cannot argue with dawn. Stay patient. Persistence bends time in your favor. When exhaustion arrives, rest, but do not surrender. A pause is preparation, not defeat. Courage is this: moving gently through fear while holding faith firmly, like protecting a flame in strong wind. Do not rush your becoming. Seeds split painfully before they grow into forests. Life tests the spirit, not to break it, but to reveal how strong it already is. Silence your excuses, not your dreams. The world listens to effort, not intentions. You carry ancient fire within you, passed through generations of survivors. Remember this. Every challenge arrives disguised as a teacher, offering wisdom only to those who stay present. Walk humbly yet firmly. Arrogance blinds growth. Humility sharpens strength. The strongest warriors win here first, mastering the inner storm before the outer battle. Hope is not naive. It is disciplined belief, guarded by courage, hardened by experience. Let failure become ink, not scars. Write lessons that guide your future. The path clears slowly for those who move with patience and persistence. When life feels heavy, remember, endurance is built, one breath, one choice at a time. You are not behind, you are exactly where the lesson meets your strength. Strength blooms quietly each time you keep promises to yourself when no one is watching. A calm mind walks through chaos untouched. Do not curse slow roads. Long journeys teach what shortcuts never can. The soul expands when courage replaces comfort and meaning defeats ease. Trust your becoming. Even the moon appears incomplete, yet commands the tides. Pain refines the spirit, like fire tempers a steel, revealing hidden strength. Each day you rise again, you rewrite your story with truer ink. Let perseverance be your prayer, repeated until effort becomes mastery. Power awakens the moment you stop seeking permission to believe in yourself. Life bows to those who remain sincere, consistent, and patient. The mind becomes a sanctuary when gratitude silences complaint and purpose defeats distraction. No sincere effort is ever wasted. The universe remembers honest work. Wear patience like armor. Haste wounds progress more than failure. Every breath you take is proof life has not given up on you. Peace arrives when you stop fighting who you are and start shaping who you can become. Even shattered dreams leave fragments strong enough to rebuild vision. Walk steadily, not loudly. The deepest strength makes little noise. Growth feels uncomfortable because the soul is learning a new language. When effort matters more than outcome, confidence becomes unshakable, progress unstoppable. Remember this, you are not late, not lost, not lacking, only becoming and rising in your time.